BrandRoomMates. ColorDaisy Duck. Item dimensions LxWxH18 by 5 by 0.01 inches. Surface recommendation wall. Room type: living room, bedroom, newer, home office. Material plastic. Made in the USA. Assembled daisy 27.5 inches wide by 38.75 inches tall. Easy to apply, just peel and stick. Applies to any smooth surface. Removable and repositionable with no sticky residue. Donald Duck's special sweetheart, Daisy Duck, is now here in wall decal form. Daisy measures over 3 feet tall when assembled, and is completely removable and repositionable. She's the perfect addition to any little girl's room, but also an easy decor solution for a Disney fan of any age. Pair her with Donald or any of our other Mickey Friends wall decals, sold separately, to create a fun theme in any room. Top reviews from the United States. Bigger than expected. My daughter loves Daisy Duck, so we figured she'd get a huge kick of having her on her playroom wall. We have a Sky, Paw Patrol, roommate, so I knew that these decals were easy to deal with. Our Sky decal is a tiny bit different. Sky was very thin and somewhat see-through. I was totally okay with that. She still looks great and my daughter loves her, so I was surprised that Daisy was thicker vinyl sticker material. Still easy to apply to the wall. I like how Daisy turned out and we were able to place her on the wall how we liked on our first try. So, I am not sure if Daisy is as easily moved as Sky is since I didn't have to adjust Daisy. I will say that you need 2 people to put this on the wall. Just so the stickers don't bend and stick together, it's really just to avoid a headache.